From a distance, does it look like I had a toddler do my makeup? Hey guys, welcome back. It's Maddie. So I thought I was recording and I wasn't, but basically we're going to be doing a challenge where we apply all of our makeup with our non-dominant hand. That is why my left eyebrow looks like trash. So I guess let's get started again. So I'm going to bring you back nice and close to do my right brow, which I guess is probably going to be the worst slash more entertaining brow because I don't know how to go across my face with this thing. Oh gosh. I can't even like see my brow. This is hard. Oh. I feel like I'm struggling with like trying to move my arm across my chest, which I don't have that problem with my right hand, so I don't fully know. But this is another reason I do my brows first, ladies and gentlemen, to cover up all my mistakes. But I'm still covering them up with my non-dominant hand, so, oh gosh, what do I do? Well, there are my brows. Okay, I figured I would try and put some brow gel in. And yikes. I feel like a toddler is applying my makeup. Like, it's bad. Woo, okay, primer. Primer is the next step. I'm using the Benefit Professional Primer because it's not my favorite primer and it's so gross looking. Like, that's just nasty to look at. But I'm not going to be keeping this makeup on very long. What, you thought oh, well, I use two hands for primer, so I guess I could do this. But do not intend on wearing this for a long time. Sorry if you thought otherwise. Okay, for foundation, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation. You guys all know my opinions on this foundation. If you don't, spoiler alert, I don't really like it, but I'm using it and I do wear it pretty often because I bought it and it's expensive. Ugh. This is, like, on one hand, I feel like it's better for my skin because I'm being significantly softer with this hand because apparently my left hand has zero strength. But, oi. Beep, 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 beep. You know, it's probably a good thing. Whew, I was halfway through my brow. I was doing my left brow. And my phone starts ringing. It's my sister. And I'm like, why is she calling me? And then I go to pause the video. And that's when I realized that it wasn't recording. So, yay. Kelly for saving the day. She gets a shout out. Whew. I feel like my arm's gonna be sore from this. It's sad. See, when I decided to do this, I told myself, I was like, oh, this isn't really gonna be that hard. You know, you were like a percussionist. You used both hands frequently. You were a pianist. Like, you know how to use both of your hands properly, but one, not in high school anymore, so I don't really do any of those things, and two, I don't know, it's just not transferring the way you thought it would. Oh my gosh, I'm bringing this down my neck too. I feel like with my left hand, I'm doing significantly less bouncing and blending and more dragging just to get the product to move. Whew. arm is sore, time for concealer. This is my Kylie Cosmetics concealer in Stone. I almost just put the applicator with my right hand. Oh, and just on that nasty spot. Yeah, the rest is pretty doing okay. My face is finally starting to adapt. This is not going to be a concentrated under eye lightening. That's part of why I chose the Kylie concealers, because it's thinner. Not as thin as the Fenty, but it's thinner, so I'll get more coverage than Fenty, but more movability. This is our base, everybody. Isn't it fantastic? Let's go ahead and try and do eyeshadow. I've grabbed the Beauty Bakerie Proof is in the Pudding palette, and I'm going to go into the Nana Pudding shade, which is like the lightest brown shade in the palette, and I'm going to zoom you guys in so you can feel my pain even more. And so that's gonna go right in the crease. Yay, that concentrated, perfect application. Am I right, everybody? Am I right? Oh, I almost just put that in my eyebrow. Ugh, I'm like stabbing myself with these bristles. I didn't knock the shadow off my brush. Who cares? Not me. Huh. I feel like I'm dragging it off the side because I'm just... Yeah, we all saw that, didn't we? And then we're going to take another fluffy brush and go into the Mango Pudding shade, which is more of a orange tone. And put that in the crease as well. I think the easiest part of this eye look is going to be the fact that I plan on doing a shimmer shade and that I can apply with my actual fingertips, which I feel like is a little bit easier than this. Watch me like bite my tongue and definitely not agree with that. Oh yeah. It's just messy. Okay. Then a smaller brush, we're going to go into Warm Cocoa and then buff that in the outer corner. Blended, we don't know her. Harsh edges, we're a fan. This might be like a really good exercise actually if you want to like hone your technique, is practicing with your other hand, because then you have to be a lot more precise on your application, where it's going. You probably have to pay more attention to where it's going to go. And then with my excess from my Mango Pudding, that's just going to go under my eyes. Does anyone else notice when I do my eyeshadow and talk, I talk significantly quieter? Because I notice that when I'm editing, and I have absolutely no idea why that is. Then I'm going to go into Butterscotch, and I'm going to pop that on. Oh yeah, that is the easiest part of this entire tutorial so far. Wow. So easy. Who is she? I don't know. She is a makeup guru. And before I'm done, I'm going to also try and do eyeliner. Whew. With my left hand. I'm even going to try and do a wing. And normally I don't have you here, so I'm going to try and concentrate, and we'll just speed this up with some music. Oh gosh, I don't even know where to hold this. I thought that I was so close to not doing terrible. Like, this eye, not bad. This looks like a beginner's doing a wing. Like, I could be okay with that. And then this happened. It was not going to be a good wing no matter what. I couldn't save it. But then I like stabbed myself in the eye and flicked and I'm so mad. I was so close to having passable wings. Try mascara. I'm so frustrated right now. And the mascara is not going to be good. Actually, probably not as bad as I'm thinking, at least on this eye. How do we learn to do things with our hands? Like, our hands are crazy. That we can lift and manipulate things. From a distance, does it look like I had a toddler do my makeup? Yes. Yes, it does. Whew. Okay, bronzer. I think we're getting into slightly easier territory. Never mind, I'm having trouble even just getting the brush. This is not going to be a precise application. I'm so happy I don't contour, because if I contoured, whew, this would be more of a mess. Yes, this would be more of a mess. Oh gosh. That's about all I can handle for bronzer. I look just slightly less dead. And now for blush. Got a really bright red one so we can really see my mess ups. You know, I really wanted to highlight that for you guys. This is a pigmented blush. I guess I'm lucky that my blush application is normally all over the place. It just kind of makes this a little bit more believable. And then highlighter, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Heart Defense highlighter, and I bet you can guess which side I'm using. I am a pale child. That's such a pretty highlighter. Why don't I wear this one more? I like kind of just noticed it in my drawer and I was like, yeah, I haven't worn that in a while. I should wear it. And then why not a liquid lipstick? Because obviously I have the best self-confidence in the world. So this is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Fully Nude. Honestly, the lips are like the part I'm most impressed with. What is that about? Who am I? Who was able to do their lips left-handed? So yeah, this is my finished look of left-handed makeup. I know you all want to go home and try this out now, right? So yes, this was my video. If you liked it, I post new ones every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at noon. I would love to see you back for any of those. Normally, my makeup turns out looking a little bit better than this, but this was a challenge video and I think it definitely lived up to its name. It was a challenge. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that little notification bell next to the subscribe button to be notified of all my future uploads. And say a prayer for me. I am going to try and take this all off and then do my makeup normally. I'll see you guys on the next one. Okay, bye!